So, you create an opt-in page to give away a free ebook. And you start building a list. But then what? How do you keep those subscribers active? Or what about actually turning those subscribers into buyers? Just getting a free ebook won't make people take action. That's why you need email marketing hacks. It's an exclusive video course that reveals top secret email marketing hacks used by professional email marketers around the world. These hacks actually give you a recipe for email marketing success. Imagine having the breakthrough to build powerful relationships with your list while boosting opens, clicks, and conversions. Well, with email marketing hacks, now you can. Email marketing hacks are the top 10 mostly used secret hacks that all successful email marketers are using today. By using the exact same hacks developed by email marketing pros, you will be following in the footsteps of email marketers that are making 6 and 7 figures online.
Here's what you get: 10 email marketing evergreen hacks to help boost opens, clicks, and conversions. Learn the one simple trick that will get them to want to click immediately as soon as they see this. Learn how to keep your list running at 100% capacity by doing these few simple steps. Learn how to become a successful email marketer by using the exact same hacks developed by email marketing pros that are making millions online today. So pick up your copy of Email Marketing Hacks today, so you can forget about the frustrations of spending endless amounts of time, stress, and uncertainty trying to make money with email marketing. With Email Marketing Hacks, your dream can become reality. So what are you waiting for? Click the Add to Cart button below and grab your copy today.